Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm David, your English teacher from the David English Academy. Right now, we're going to be doing a basic lesson, okay, from the series to advanced. And right now, we're working on the topic of prepositions. You're going to see different kinds of prepositions that people have difficulty with. And remember that these lessons are lessons that I have already done with you in class if you are already my student, or maybe one of my teachers has done this with you too. And this is a review video, okay? And the more you do, the better you're going to get. And one other very important thing I should tell you about these lessons is that the grammar presentations that I have made here are conversational grammar exercises, which is different than a book. And I'm going to lead you there. So let's get started. Don't forget to give me a like, hit the bell, leave a comment, subscribe. That way we can grow together, okay? So let me just read to you this part. I'll try to read it slowly, and then I'll go over a couple of examples, okay? Prepositions are important to express different relationships to various objects, such as the places, times, and people. Although there are some general rules, ultimately, it is best to remember which preposition fits each situation. Here are some examples. I live on Maple Avenue. We say on because avenue is a surface and flat place. I'm in the office. We say I'm in the office because it's a small room. I'm at the library right now. We say that because it's a specific place. It's a building with many rooms. So we're going to say I'm at the library. I'd like a slice of the cake. We want to say slice of the cake because it belongs to the cake. So we're going to say a slice of the cake here. I bought this gift for my sister. So when we say the word buy, we're going to be using it with the word for. And I bought this dress from H&M. Again, you're buying from this place. Now, let's continue. Now we're going to dive into the exercises here. Here are the directions. Complete the sentence, right? Get your pen or pencil and notebook at this time and start writing down the sentences in your notebook. You can also, at this time, stop the video if you would like and then continue with me so you can learn and try to quiz yourself as we go. And again, don't forget, at davidenglish.info, I have more exercises that you can do to enhance your English, develop your English, advance your English. Okay, let's get going. Number 1, I live Maple Avenue. So we want to say, I live on Maple Avenue. I live on Maple Avenue. 2, she works the downtown office. I want to say here she works at the downtown office because the downtown office is a specific location. 3, the concert is Friday night. So we want to say the concert is on Friday night. The concert is on Friday night because remember, on goes with days. 4, I'm staying my friends this weekend. Here, I want to say I'm staying with my friend this weekend. We stay with our friends. So I'm staying with my friend this weekend. 5, the keys are the sofa. The sofa is a flat place. It's a surface. You can lay on it, and you could put things on it. So I'm going to say the keys are on the sofa. All right. If you did very well here, let's just keep going. He walked the grocery store. So at this point, what do you think? You could say that he walked to the grocery store. He walked to the grocery store, but that means that he didn't enter the grocery store. He didn't go inside. So you want to say he just walked to the grocery store here. Going to. Remember, to is like movement, going to that place. 7, the cat is hiding the curtain. Well, at this point, what do you think? I'm going to say that the cat is hiding behind the curtain. The cat is hiding behind the curtain. I can't see where the cat is, so that's what I would say here. Let's go to number 8. The meeting is Monday morning. Well, Monday again, it's a day. I'm going to say the meeting is on Monday morning. Okay? The meeting is on Monday morning. Number 9, I'd like a slice of the cake. Well, it's a piece of the cake, so I'd like a slice of the cake, okay? I'd like a slice of the cake. Remember, when you say I'd like, it's really saying I would like, just so you know. And 10, I bought this gift my sister. Well, what did I tell you before? What do you think? I bought this gift for my sister. I buy things for people. This is for you. It's a gift for you. Okay, I bought it for you. By the way, what's the last thing you bought for someone? You want to share it in the comments? I'll tell you if it was a nice thing. And if you want some ideas, just ask me. I'll give you some ideas to buy your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband or your wife a present. What time do you usually go to bed? Well, here we're going to say, what time do you usually go to bed? If you want me to answer that question, I usually go to bed at about 11 p.m. at night, and I usually wake up at 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm a workaholic. 12. Where did you find that book? Where did you find that book? What do you think is the answer? Where did you find that book at? Where did you find that book at? Because it's a specific place, okay? 13. Who are you sitting in the theater? At this point, I would say, who are you sitting next to in the theater? Who are you sitting next to in the theater? You're sitting next to them. You're not sitting on them, and you're not sitting, you could also say, who are you sitting behind? Who are you sitting in front of? But typically, hey, who are you sitting next to? I want to sit next to you. 14. Which country did you travel last summer? We traveled to places. So I'm going to say, which country did you travel to? We traveled to this places because it's away from me and I'm traveling to this country. Which country did you travel to last summer? 15. What is the nearest grocery store your house? What is the nearest grocery store to your house? That's the answer. What is the nearest grocery store to your house? You could also say, what is the nearest grocery store near your house, by your house? Okay, those also work. Okay, we only have another 5 more to do. I know you can do it. Which team did you support the championship? Which team did you support during the championship? You also can say during the competition. But yeah, it's a length of time during this time, during the championship. 17, where do you keep your keys to the house? What do you think? At this point, you could say, where do you keep your keys? Inside the house, like in the house. So the answer is going to be in the house. Where do you keep them in the house? 18, who do you usually talk when you need advice? Interesting question. Please answer this in the comments. Who do you usually talk when you need advice? What do you think? Who do you usually talk to when you need advice? Who do you usually talk to when you need advice? 19, which songs are you listening these days? Well, we usually listen to things, so I'm going to go with to. Which songs are you listening to these days? Actually, I'm really interested to know what songs you're listening to because I absolutely love music. So if you have something that you want to recommend me, let me know. And 20, where did you put the documents? Let's say the documents are like hiding in some place and you could maybe use the word under here. Where did you put the documents under? I'm looking for the documents. Where did you put the documents under. At this point, if you want to take this to another level, you can try yourself. And it says here, illustrate where you are and how you arrived there. Describe the location of the objects in the room. So you're going to say, how did you get to the place you are today? For example, I got to my home after taking my kids to daycare today, and I came back to my home, and right now I'm actually sitting in my chair in front of my computer doing this recording. What about you? Share with me in the comments. Again, what's the main reason why you're here today? Is because you want to get better. You want to actually know English. So let's just continue a little bit longer and do the repeat after me method. Here we go. 1, repeat after me. I live on Maple Avenue. 2, she works at the downtown office. The concert is on Friday night. Great job. I'm staying with my friend this weekend. Keep going. The keys are under the sofa. He walked to the grocery store. The cat is hiding behind the curtain. The meeting is on Monday morning. I'd like a slice of the cake. I bought this gift for my sister. Great job. Let's continue repeating. What time do you usually go to bed? Where did you find that book at? Who are you sitting next to in the theater? Which country did you travel to last summer? What is the nearest grocery store to your house? Which team did you support during the championship? Where do you keep your keys in the house? Who do you usually talk to when you need advice? Which songs are you listening to these days? Where did you put the documents under? Well done, everybody. Remember, today we did the prepositions that you need all the time in English. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. Okay? Again, you could try this exercise at David English Academy under the category of prepositions for more exercises, more practice to continue building your dream to be the best English speaker you can be. And I'm here to help you do that. I'm not going to give up on you. Please visit David English Academy and see you soon. Bye, everybody. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.